This Chinese dentist mouthwash will help remove dental plaque and tartar naturally. Not only plaque and tartar are unsightly, if not removed, they also damage your teeth and gums. Brushing is not enough to remove plaque and tartar on your teeth because the bristles of a toothbrush can't reach deep between teeth to remove the mold. Therefore, I'll share with you a simple mouthwash recipe to get rid of plaque and tartar from teeth quickly. This is the recipe of a retired Chinese dentist. He asserted that this mouthwash will remove plaque and lessen your chances of tartar buildup as well as serious dental problems such as cavities, gingivitis, and bad breath. Moreover, it leaves your mouth clean with breath fresh. The preparation of this mouthwash is very easy. In the first step, you need to combine salt and baking soda. Baking soda is effective at removing plaque because it's a natural cleanser and an abrasive, which means it's good for scrubbing. Also, it has the antibacterial capacity that eliminates microbes, which are the cause of cavities and bad breath. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon baking soda. Next, salt is a natural disinfectant. It will temporarily increase the pH levels inside your mouth, making it difficult for the bacteria to thrive, including the bacteria cause plaque and tartar. Plus, adding salt in mouthwash will help remove particles of food that are stuck between your teeth. If left there, the particles will irritate and inflame your gums. Add half teaspoon of salt into the baking soda bowl and mix well. Now prepare a toothbrush and wet it with warm water. Then dip it in the baking soda salt mixture. Gently brush your teeth using circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Be sure not to brush hard or you might hurt your teeth. After brushing, spit out this paste and not rinse your mouth with water or any mouthwash. Instead, prepare this mixture and rinse your mouth after brushing with the baking soda salt mixture. This is the best part of this mouthwash recipe. You take a half cup of warm water, then add in a half cup hydrogen peroxide and mix well. Always remember to use a 3% concentration of hydrogen peroxide. Anything stronger is likely to cause irritation. Hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen that helps destroy the bacteria that cause plaque and gum disease. In addition, gargling with hydrogen peroxide will make your teeth look whiter. Now, use this mixture and squeeze around in your mouth for a minute, then expel it from your mouth. Remember that never swallow this mouthwash as it might contain harmful ingredients for your stomach. In the end, use a toothpick to remove the plaque and tartar from your teeth. After that, rinse your mouth with 1 cup of cold water. Repeat this process twice a week. In addition, for optimal oral health, make sure you brush the teeth at least 3 times daily with a good quality toothpaste, and we also recommend you should do oil pulling every day. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.